Good day, success traders, members ng success community, and sa lahat ng nanonood kung meron man. Today is March 11, 2021, 10:25 AM. Yung day 12 video natin, hindi ko pa alam hanggang ngayon kung paano siya ma-retrieve my post sa Facebook, sa YouTube. So just to give the history from that, talo tayo ng $9. So that is the third day of defeat. Bali 4 na pala. Ang isang araw yung So ito yung March 10 natin. Trade. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. Ayan. Then talo tayo dito ng $9. Bakit 9? $12 win, a loss, and then $4 yung gain. Ay 0.87%. So $9 yung talo sa atin kahapon. Okay, day 12 again. Talo tayo ng $9. So yung account balance natin $80 yan, and then nagsumali tayo sa tournament kahapon. Hindi rin tayo nanalo kasi last day ng tournament kahapon. That was supposed to be 3 days tournament. So for today, our goal again is to win 10% of the capital, and if okay yung trade natin, we will try to win back some. So ang total natin na kailangang bawiin yung 4 days na loss is $19 plus 9 is $27. So let's see. This is AUD USD pairing. Downtrend na siya. This is up. I'll go for up. This one. Why? Mas mataas yung number of blue candles. Parang magre-reverse na siya, pero yung lesson natin na kailangan magawa is to trust the trend first, and then yung expect the reversal sa huli pa yun. I mean, kasunod yun. Kaya lang, parang this time, every time na lumalapit yung yellow na moving averages sa red, parang it says or it tells me na huwag akong mag-trade. Hintayin ko siyang lumagpas or bumalik. Something like that. Since binary siya, alright, success. One more. $78 plus 7, 10%. So 85. Kailangan maging $85 ito. And we will base it sa trading history kung itutuloy natin kung ito yung trade natin. Check natin AUD. So at 98%, 7 trades is win straight. Is enough to win the $7. Oops. Kumapura pa. Again, we are using trust the trend, trust the ladder. Meron tayong secret technique, and then expect the reversal. Just to clarify, this 10% compounding interest ay galing kay Sir John Kalu. Yan. And then yung trust the trend, it was from me, yours truly, Michael Sparkle. And then yung trust the ladder, yung trust is sa akin, pero yung ladder of success na ginagamit, yung 138, is galing kay Coach Chaplain Philip Valerio. Yan. Sila ang mentors namin or natin sa Success Community. And si Coach Chaplain Philip ay sa trading, IQ option trading. So, yung secret technique, syempre sa akin din, ang ginawa ko, pinag-combine ko siya. And ngayon, gusto ko lang lahat ang tawag doon, document yung aking trades. Kung what are the chances, kung possible ba talaga na manalo ka every day ng 10% ng capital using this strategy. I'm not saying na hindi. As far as I know, meron nang nakagawa nito. Pero yung ibang strategy ang ginagamit niya. And he's a pro trader. Kumbaga professional siya. Ako, beginner pa lang. And I'm doing this in practice. So again, trust the trend. See? This is the trend. It's going still up. It will still go up. I think so. Balik tayo dito. $85 lang yung kailangan natin mag-gain para makuha natin yung 10% ng capital. And $28 yung kailangan natin bawiin. So yung $28 na yon yung doses natin sa 4 days. So this is day 13 of our 10% compounding interest. So kung meron kayong mga perang natutulog lang dyan, and you can see naman, very simple lang yung strategy na ginagamit. Pero kung gusto mo ng more on technical trading analysis, pasok tayo sa school namin. Parang sa school kasi doon, lalo ngayon, mayroong ini-announce na ni Sir John Calub na meron tayong parang master trader from other or different country na magtuturo. I don't know yet how it is to be done o paano, pero ini-announce na. Yun. Again, it is going down, but this will be just for a bit. This is pointed. And ayun, bumalik. Yun, talo tayo ng isa. Hold on. Signals, mas malamang na ang red. Red. Signal is going down, so again, yung trust the trend is really important. But this case, sa 2 minutes kasi, mas makikita mo yung galawan ng candles. So, it says here, it's down, see, red. And the moving averages is pointing down. Let's just hope, it will pump down. Toink. Oh man, we're losing. 15 minutes. Why you don't trust the trend now? Antayin natin bumaba ng konti. This is a judgment line, and judgment. Oops, hindi umabot. Sayang, we are lower na. Sana. Always like this. Let's see the other pairing. So, halos para siya. Up. and then bababa. Pero ito, tumawid na sa line, so let's get lower. For me, the biggest factor, or it could be the only factor of losing, is the fear of loss. Natatakot kang matalo yung pera mo, mas lalo ka matalo. Pag natatakot kang mawala yung isang bagay sa'yo, mas lalo siyang nawawala. Ito sa trading, it is said, and like parang proven na sa akin it's the fear of loss. Kasi pag practice account ang gamit mo, sige, tira. You can do the ladder and trusting the trend and everything else. Okay, we won sa third ladder at $8 using expect the reversal. See? Okay. So, are we ready to win some? $28, so $85 plus bonus tayong $2. So, tuloy tayo ng konti. So, yung $2 na pinang-join natin sa tournament kahapon is na bawi na rin natin as of the moment. Therefore, exactly $28 yung kailangan nating ma-win back para lumaki yung ating capital. Pag nag-draw, walang pag nag-same line, draw. Ayun. Okay, I think mamaya ulit siguro. That's it for the moment. $87, we get the target 10%, more than pa nga because we are using ladder. And how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 trades, so 6 wins, 2 losses, and 1 draw. Thank you. Sana may natutunan tayo. And today, ang natutunan natin is yung expect the reversal. Pero kailangan natin tumingin sa 2 minutes na time frame para makita natin yung galawan, yung mas malapit. That's all for today. Thank you and God bless you all. Especially sa mga ka-success natin ngayon, success traders. Mamaya ulit, mag-trade tayo mamaya. See ya. Bye-bye.